Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambeau channel, and as I go through this intro, I'm letting a video clip play on the screen without any audio, and it's from Wall Street Bets, the Twitter account with 832,000 followers, and simply wrote, "Watch this live stream of me trading crypto futures." And frankly, what's happening in this video, it's the way that retail speculators tend to behave. The idea of FOMOing in when they see a green candle, buying the top or near the top, and then watching things plummet, and then becoming very, very sad inside. There's a reason that this funny little video clip exists. It's because it's based in truth. It's based in reality. And look, he's raging there now. This is what retail speculators do. And so if you're new, just understand that they're making this little funny clip about you. If you are brand new to crypto, that's you. That's exactly what you're doing. Well, and look, I know I don't know who you are. Maybe you're the outlier, fine. But I'm just saying this is how humans behave. And this is how people get wrecked. And so the people that were around for the last bull cycle in 2017, I think they have a tremendous leg up compared to the competition out there. So many of them, and I see them talking about it too, even some of the very popular analysts now. Like, think about Credible Crypto. He just hit 130,000 followers on Twitter. What's being described in this video clip, he has acknowledged in 2017 this is what he was doing. He was chasing green candles and selling, but he figured it out because he's not an idiot. This is just like a normal thing humans do when you start if you don't know any better. So, like, you're not an idiot or something. It's just poor behavior, so I'm not, like, mocking you, actually. But he came around, and now he's an awesome, very popular chart analyst, very well known in the world of crypto. And I actually am going to highlight something from him today because there was some information I put out yesterday having to do with XRP price action, potentially where it's going. High levels with, on the low end, XRP hitting $8.50. Probably much higher according to a particular analyst, and Credible Crypto actually chimed in on that, so I'm going to share that with you. Now, in the short term, though, I am seeing that there are analysts that are, let's just say they have renewed concerns about the direction that Bitcoin's going to know. And so we're still in this weird phase where there's a lot of consolidation going on after the most recent dip a couple days or so ago. Still don't have clarity on whether Bitcoin's going to break down or proceed to the upside. But if it does break down, expect XRP to perform disastrously, along with every other altcoin on the market, though. You know, don't be surprised if this happens, if we see XRP at 30 or 35 cents, or even if it's just a wick down to some of those levels. Like, just don't be surprised if it happens. And so just, again, this clip that's been playing on your screen right here, just remember, that's you if you behave like that. That is you if you so choose to behave like that. You get to decide. You choose. It's like pick a path, right? It's a pick a path book. You decide what you want to do here. Now, to be clear, though, I don't have a financial background of any kind, and I'm not offering financial advice, so you should not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. I'm just an enthusiast in the space, and I like making YouTube videos purely as a hobby. Now, as I record this, XRP's at 46.4 cents, Bitcoin's at $49,045, market cap for the asset class $1,517 billion, with Bitcoin dominance at 60.26%. Again, just mostly trading sideways, though. You know, because I find I'm scrolling down here, you see kind of a blend of, like, maybe there's a little more green than red, but it's kind of a fair blend, and that's just because we mostly are going sideways as a market here. Now, here's what I shared in another video here, just to recap for anybody that missed it. It's just a couple tweets, but you want to hear this in case you missed it, and then moving on. But Leb Crypto, a chart analyst, wrote, XRP weekly chart, a thread on high time frame chart with some fresh perspective. I think XRP may be creating a 4-year rounded bottom with my expected price action until end of year in white. $8.50 is the rounded bottom's target, but I do think targets are higher. The longer the base, the higher in space. Assets that print such a long consolidation time have massive expansions to the upside upon breakout. And that's why I was highlighting yesterday just this idea that XRP historically has traded sideways longer than other cryptos. It's usually the last to pop but when it does go, oh, it really goes. And so if you don't have exposure during that time period, too bad, so sad. And then Leb Crypto writes, my eyes for biggest profit taking at the end of this bull market are on the 1.618 fib extension on the log scale. And what is that? $27. $27 for XRP. And then somebody tagged Credible Crypto and wrote, "What do you think, Credible Crypto?" And he responded, "Agree," with a bunch of those number 100 emojis. And Credible Crypto had been talking about those types of levels in the past, so it's good to see that he has not deviated from that despite the noise of the SEC going after Ripple. I'd seen him previously talk about, what was his range? I don't want to put words in his mouth. It may have been like $20 to $30. I'm kind of going from memory, so don't take that as gospel. But I think that's kind of the range that he was talking about here. And I'll tell you what, I know what I hate, and I don't hate that. But what's going to happen in the short term? Can we expect a pullback? Well, I personally hope so, because the greedy side of me wants to purchase cryptocurrencies at discounted rates. I will purchase anyone's fear that is willing to sell it to me. So here's a headline from Cointelegraph. Bitcoin traders worry as Bitcoin price remains pinned below $50,000. The price of Bitcoin has failed to break above the psychological $50,000 resistance going into the weekend and has dropped below the $48,000 level on March 6th. Now traders are watching whether Bitcoin/USD can break above the $50,000 level to resume the bull cycle. Conversely, a drop below the recent lows will below $46,000 will likely open the door to new lower lows, which may then pose a threat to the bull run that has been in place for almost a year, at least in the short to medium term. That word is not even hard to say. Pseudonymous trader Rect Capital pointed out similar price levels to watch. If Bitcoin fails to hold the current levels at above $46,000, the trader expects Bitcoin to bottom somewhere in the area between $38,000 to $45,000, despite Bitcoin posting higher lows in recent days. And so here's the full tweet from Rect Capital. Bitcoin higher lows hold until they don't. Each subsequent reaction from the January higher low was lesser, and lesser could be the same now. Better to be safe than sorry by preparing for a potential breakdown from this higher low. And should this breakdown occur, Bitcoin will bottom on this retrace. So just a heads up there. We'll see where all this ultimately goes. And this was a fun story too, actually. From You Today, CoinMarketCap reports 100 plus million visits in February, surpasses Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, and Investopedia in traffic. Is that not amazing? Coin freaking market cap. Wow. And so that speaks to the degree that things are getting heated up here. And so it's an anecdotal type of thing, but I don't know. It's data. It is data, right? Is it anecdotal? Actually, then again, that's a real data point here. And actually, participation within the market from retail speculators, when they come, like that's an indication things are seriously heating up. And because think about it, what comes before the parabolic action? Stupid money jumping in that doesn't know what the hell they're doing. People like in that clip that I started this video with, that's who comes in. These people that look like they're subhuman, like look at this. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Holy hell. Like, get some sun, man. Like, get some sun. Seriously. Like, that's a messed up looking humor. But so anyway, the people that don't know what the hell they're doing, they rush into the space, they flood the market, they chase their green candles. Then when it goes down, oh my God, I didn't make $1 million. And it's been like 5 days already. And then they panic sell. And who do you think on the other side of that is buying and selling? Who do you think's doing it? People that know what the hell they're doing. This is why so many people get wrecked. The masses are typically wrong. And so here you can see, CoinMarketCap portal reports that it witnessed a remarkable spike in monthly visits in February 2021. Although the month had only 28 days, CoinMarketCap was visited more than 100 million times according to similar web data. For the first time since Q3 2019, CoinMarketCap's traffic surpassed the number of Investopedia, Bloomberg, Reuters, and the Wall Street Journal. In their exclusive commentary to You Today, CoinMarketCap team stressed that this milestone looks like a paradigm shift for the most referenced crypto website. And here's a quote. A 50-person fintech startup can attract more traffic than mainstays in finance, portending a changing of the guard. How about that? And it's interesting, at the same time, Google Finance Service added a crypto tab to its main page, which I didn't know until this article. Launched in 2013, CoinMarketCap pioneered the sphere of all-in-one cryptocurrency dashboards. It broadcasts cryptocurrency prices, trading information, and statistics for blockchains and exchanges, accompanied by a newsfeed and educational articles. Cool stuff, right? So you can see the direction that we're heading here. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo.